Adrenalyn XL FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 pack opening. Okay, we have Marc-Andre ter Stegen. Then we have Mitchell Duke for Australia. We have Nicholas Mumi Gamalio for Cameroon. I'm not sure, I probably didn't get that right. Salam Al Darsari for Saudi Arabia. Adrian Rabiot for France. Then we have Goal Machine, Robert Lewandowski for Poland. Lovely. And we have Korea Team Crest. And then we have England Team Crest again. 2 packs in a row. You know what? I will take it. No complaints. Bit of a bad pack, but there's your code card. I will see you.